How's this for a great test? This is Snowy and Nipper, and they are testing out the brand new pellets that have been sent through from Guinea Pigs Australia, which are the Burgess brand. We'll show you in a moment, but Snowy seems to be absolutely loving them. Are they good, Snowy? They're good. Do you like them? Snowy's just on 10, and there's Nipper down there. Hey, and down below. Wait a minute, we'll just put up. Wait a minute. Let's close that off for a minute. Going down, we've got the girls who are also testing out the pellets, and I think it's a winner. Definitely. Do you like them, sweetheart? Yes. Pretty good. And down below we've got Tiny. Let's see if we can turn the flash on. There we go. Oh, Tiny, put some hay on you. It's Tiny and his buddies though. They're testing out the new pellets. And they've actually been eating lots of them. Let's come on up to the girls. Hello, sweet pie. What do you think of the pellets? I've disturbed you now eating them. They were an absolute hit. They keep going back for them. And of course, Snowy, who we were just looking at, can't seem to stop eating them. There he is. He's just walked away for a moment. But he's loving them. These are the Burgess Excel pellets with blackcurrant and oregano, and my goodness, all the piggies seem to be diving right in.